Congratulations on receiving your KorGlov accessory to go with your Mediliev Touch hybrid stimulator. The KorGlov pair is a great accessory to either treat one hand or you can treat two hands at the same time. It's a great accessory for being able to treat painful conditions of neuropathy, also to improve the function of your hand, such as grip strength, or being able to open and expand your hand if that's the goal for you, and also to relieve painful conditions of the hand. Enjoy the instructional video as we go over different applications for using your KorGlovs, and neither are better or worse. It just depends what's right for you. We just give you the different application options so you can choose.
All right, let's take a look and see what's in your KorGlov kit provided for you by the VA. Once you open up the box, you'll find a pair of KorGlovs. There's a medium or a large option that would order for you. We also have an extra set of snap electrode cables, and you're going to get several packs of premium reusable electrodes. All right, what you do is you grab the set of snap electrodes and you snap that on the port of the KorGlov, and then you can also get the other end of the same cable and attach it to the snap electrode and insert that lead wire either into option A or B at the top right before your treatment. Okay, it is recommended that you remove any watches and preferably jewelry if possible to get optimal treatments using your KorGlov. Hydrate the hand with the conducting solution or water. That helps with the electrotherapy and the medical grade silver fibers inside the KorGlov. Once you attach it, you're also going to want to hydrate the glove lightly after you apply it. This really enhances the treatment experience for you. You're going to get that electrode using the same snap cables, and you're going to attach it. For example, we're going to have it to the outside of the forearm here. Now, the pad placement does matter a bit, and we're going to go over that. So if you're looking to get more movement in your wrist, you could have that electrode closer to your elbow. And if you move that same electrode a little bit closer to your wrist, that will help engage the finger movements more. And this is really optimal for people who are looking to open up their hands and relieve the pain symptoms of the outside. Now, another option here is if you're looking to improve the grip strength or the finger movement to close your hand a little bit more functionally. Once again, we're going to hydrate that hand prior to putting on the KorGlov. And then we're going to use that applicator electrode and we're going to place it on the forearm after we hydrate the glove. Now, the closer you put the electrode to the elbow, that's going to get a little bit more of the wrist engagement. As if that's your goal is to improve your wrist movement, then you'll have that electrode a little bit farther from your hand and closer to your elbow. What you can also use is the therapy ball that's included, or if you're working on exercises for strength and overall function of your hand, you can use it at the same time as getting the KorGlov treatment. Now, if you move the electrode closer to the wrist, and that's going to be in essence closer to the fingers, this focuses more on the fingers, improving the function. And you can use this versatily with adjusting that electrode as needed to get your optimal spot. Another great option is if you are dealing with symptoms of neuropathy or you have mainly pain conditions that are traveling down your arm, down your hands, and they're connecting, you can also use the option where we're going to connect the both gloves, and we're going to connect the gloves to each other using one set of snap electrodes cables. So you see here, as our model is demonstrating, you hydrate the hands, you have one set of cables plugged into the device, and in this one it's the white cables. One end of the snap cables is connected to one glove and the other one is connected to the other glove. That way you are able to get the pain pathways treated throughout the hand and the fingers and even feel it throughout the arms. This is a really good option for painful conditions and maybe if muscle function or grip strength is not an issue, but mainly just wanting some blood flow and pain relief. We do recommend that you look at the quick start guide or the instructional guide that was provided. That will give a breakdown of the different treatment options as well as a more enhanced description of them. Pain relief is a really good option for treating painful conditions. And anytime you're dealing with pain, we do encourage that you use the microcurrent treatment prior or after. That will really enhance your experience by relieving the pain symptoms by using the microcurrent, which is a subthreshold and a very mild current. Another great option for carpal tunnel, for neuropathy, but painful conditions, but want to increase circulation is Pain Combo 4. And if you're looking to rehabilitate the muscles or improve the grip strength, our recommended choices is Muscle Combo 4 or Muscle Rehab 4. Those are really good options for focusing on enhancing muscle improvement.